My name is Ercan. I'm from Pennsylvania, United States. I drive for a living, and here I am at Myra Dental Place and getting my treatment. My parents live here in the city, and I've been thinking about this for a while, that my teeth were deteriorating, a little bit neglecting, a little bit age, a little bit of combination of everything. So this past year in 2023, I finally decided to go ahead and seek for professional help to take care of my teeth. And I ended up with Myra, which is very close to where my parents live. And after doing a little bit of local search, I was recommended very highly, and that's how I made my decision. Well, I had a regular dentist back in the States, but I wasn't too happy with the treatment and the prices too. They are crazy, crazy expensive. And I know the treatment here in Antalya, in Turkey, very, very good. And comparing to the service that I got here and the service that I will be receiving back in the States, comparing the prices and the treatment, it's like a day and night difference. So yeah, for price-wise, it is maybe 3-4 times the amount back in the States than what I paid here in the city, in Turkey. Well, the treatment was very, very painless. To be honest with you, I can recommend to all people from all around the world, whoever's watching this. I'm not a big fan of needles and blood and all that kind of stuff. So I was kind of skeptical before I started the procedure, because I had a lot of things done, and everything went flawless. I didn't feel no pain. It feels so good to get that kind of a reaction from my colleagues and friends and family. It brought my confidence back, and I could actually smile again, because I had a couple teeth missing. So, you know, as a caution, you always try to cover your mouth, and you know, you can't really show them what you're missing. So now that's not the case anymore. So yes, it did bring my confidence back. From day one, I stepped into Myra, and I just want to make sure that everybody understands I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not being reimbursed or anything like that. I can highly recommend coming in here. Will change how you feel about service back in the States. From day one you walk in, you get greeted, you get treated like a person, and the treatment is unbelievable, and they're constantly trying to make you happy the way you want to be treated. So yeah, I mean, from day one, I got treated like a part of the family. I am very, very happy with the results, and here you are. I'm smiling again. Again, I could highly recommend. I mean, you got many, many options out there. There's many, many places to go. I can only tell you from my own personal experience. Coming here will change how you feel about dentistry. So, professionalism, courteous, friendly, and a fair treatment. If that's what you're looking for, you should give it a shot. You won't be disappointed. Myra is a great place to go if you want to get your work done correctly, friendly, and professionally.